Sorry, guys. Okay, so here we are looking at a stock on the LSE exchange that's London. Notice the difference in currency. This is BP. BP has so many different shells, kind of like Coca-Cola we were talking about the other day. In various different countries, so many different derivatives for BP you can get. But this is the LSE one. It has a 4.35% dividend, which is good. That's a good dividend, actually. It's one of the better ones we've seen today, at the least. Let's look at the financials. In 2017, they had a profit margin of 1.4.1. In 2018, they had a profit margin of 3.14. In 2019, they had a profit margin of 1.4.5. And in 2020, they had a profit margin of negative 11.26. Not super great. Over here, we have high analyst expectations. You guys know how much I hate the analyst expectations, though. Its current position doesn't really provide a good entry or an exit. It's really middle of the range right now. So I can't really necessarily recommend it as a buy or a sell, but it does look like it's in the midst of rising from its support to its resistance. It's just, it's not offering the best entry, unfortunately. But that's up to you to work out how you want to play it. Market's closed right now for London.